Hello, dear students. Today we are going to talk about polygenic inheritance. It's a very important topic, easy topic. Mendel mostly studied traits that had clear-cut contrasting forms, such as purple or white flowers. However, many traits around us do not show such sharp differences, and instead they show a continuous range of variations. For example, human height is not just tall or short. We see many intermediate heights, such traits are called polygenic traits. We call them as polygenic traits. And such traits are called polygenic traits because they are controlled by three or more genes. Three or more genes, not less than three. In polygenic inheritance, multiple genes control a single trait. So you have many genes which are controlling a single trait. Each gene contributes a small additive effect. There is environmental effect also. Environment also influences the final phenotype. A classic example is human skin color. Human skin color. Let us assume that skin color is controlled by three genes, A, B, and C. And this form, that is A, B, C, is dominant, the dominant genes. What are the recessive? Small a, small b, small c. These are recessive forms. These recessive forms, they will contribute to light skin color, and dominant forms, they will contribute to dark skin color. Now, if we combine these alleles, so you will have A, then maybe A, B, B, C, C, if everything is dominant. If everything is recessive, then A, B, B, C, C. So this should be the darkest one. This is darkest one, and this should be the lightest one. Lightest one. The person which is having this combination will be having the light skin color, and the person which is having this combination, capital one, dominant one, will be having darkest skin color. Thus, the degree of darkness depends on the total number of dominant alleles, and the phenotype shows continuous variation rather than discrete these categories. Like if we have, now we have new combination, capital A, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. So this will be intermediate skin color. Likewise, if we have capital A, small a, then capital B, capital B, capital C, this will be slightly less dark. You can say like that. Or if we have capital A, capital B, small b, then capital C, it will be slightly less dark as compared to this one. So it will go on like this. You will this in the textbook also, it is like this. This example has been given. Now, why polygenic inheritance shows continuous variation? Because each dominant allele adds one unit of effect. Effects of alleles are additive. Environmental factors like sunlight, nutrition, climate, they modify the expression of these genes. And the result is a bell-shaped distribution curve. You will have a bell-shaped distribution curve like this. Please note it down. Bell-shaped. So this is all about polygenic inheritance. I hope you understood the two concept. Now, after this, we'll be talking about one more topic, that is pleiotropy. Pleiotropy is just opposite of this one. Thank you.